Juicy, tender beefsteaks smothered in a rich, creamy white mushroom and mozzarella sauce. This one is going to blow your mind. If you love recipes like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Foodbook. Let's start with the marinade. Take a bowl and add 1 kilo of beef. Now grate 2 inches of fresh ginger and 5 to 6 garlic cloves straight into the bowl. Or you can use 2 tablespoons each of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a really good mix so the beef is fully coated. Cover the bowl and let this marinate for at least 6 hours. Or even better, leave it overnight. The longer it sits, the more tender and flavorful your beef will be. Once the beef has marinated, heat 500 milliliters of oil in a pan over medium to low heat. Add the marinated beef into the oil and fry it on medium to low heat until it is completely tender and cooked through. Keep the heat low and be patient. This is what gives you that perfectly soft, juicy steak. Add the marinade and cover the lid. Flip the side occasionally. Once done, take the beef out and set it aside. Now, let's make the white sauce. Take a wide mouth pan and add a little oil, along with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it well on heat and keep stirring to remove any lumps. You want a smooth base. Now gradually pour in 1 cup of milk while continuously stirring, so the sauce stays lump-free. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Keep stirring and bring it to a boil until the sauce thickens up nicely. Now add 1/3 cup of sliced mushrooms and mix them in. And lastly, add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Stir it all together until the cheese is fully melted and you have the most beautiful, creamy, stretchy white sauce. Now it's time to plate up. Place your fried beefsteaks on the plate. Spoon that gorgeous white mushroom and mozzarella sauce generously right over the top and serve it with hot boiled rice on the side. That's it. Beefsteaks with white sauce, Foodbook style. Try this at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thank you for watching.